Hello, life is creating and sharing. Today, I want to share with you my beautiful anise. And it's a kind of mint, but it's better than mint because the smell is so wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful anise. I love this beautiful purplish flower. And it's when they, finish flower and they become whitish with full of black seed. And then the seed go everywhere and then it start growing. And the leaves are also beautiful too. And then, you can see the bee is coming. Wow, the bee is sucking. Yes. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, bee, you're lucky to have beautiful anise for you to suck. Wow, isn't it nice to be my actor in my video? Yes, I love watching them. Wow, it's so enjoying. I'm so glad the bee is so enjoying my anise. It's so beautiful watching. Go to another one. Wow, you are lucky. But anyway, coming back, anise can survive zone 5 to 10, and I always grow anise because they can be very tall. So I always using the leaves to make tea, and they really strong licorice fragrance. It's absolutely incredible. So the bee is number 3 now. You go to the number 3. Wow, you're lucky bee. So anyway, I always using this. Alexander, I know that you always like that too. Anthony, you might not like this, but you like mint, I know. But I hope you will one day like this, anise. It's really, really good. So we want to keep growing in our garden with a lot of anise. Wow, bee, number 4. You go to number 4 now. So I don't like 4. Can you go to number 5 before I finish my video? So, yeah, you did. You go to number 5. Yeah, so it's good. Very good bee. So life is creating and sharing. And by the way, this is perennial, so always coming back. I like it. It's very, very tall, and it's very, very beautiful. And I always want to make tea using this anise. Absolutely beautiful. And I like it. It's so easy and no need to maintain. So I always like to plant once and grow forever, right? Yeah. So life is creating and sharing, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.